Hello. We. Oh. We. Oh. I'm tired. What? Can't go inside, kitty. Can't go inside. Hey, don't walk away. Hey. What did I tell you about drinking the rainwater? Oh yeah, I forgot. So vlog. Thirsty, aren't you? Not that kind of thirsty, weed up. Depressed more. Even though my birthday's on Tuesday. How long is Tuesday? Probably number 2. That hurt. Don't look at me like that. We got Mr. Forgot. Coming over? Come on, come over. I wanna see you. It's been a long time since you ever came to the house. Oh man, so big to get up the hole. So my mom did so. Whoa, buddy, whoa. I have to run over here. It's not like it's never seen you in years. Maybe. Whoa, why are you coming over that quick? Don't weak at me. Sorry. I forgot I was recording. Sorry. Sick. I'll show you our ass. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Please don't demonetize. Show us your front, please. Not your back. That kind of channels. Throwing rocks here. Sit here. It's been a long time since I made a video about the basement. I've learned from my past mistakes, like putting snow in here. Oh no, I'm gonna slide. Whee! What's up? Ow. That hurt. I got a tattoo now. I'm joking. Don't climb on the rock. You ain't gonna think. If you do, I'm gonna be. Oh my god, someone's breaking into our house. It was not me. I swear. Look at that. Probably gonna break. Oh no. Hello. Okay. Oh. Hello. Oh. Trying to get pittance like every day. Whoa. Who was over there? Tell me. Nothing. Okay. What is over there? You wanna go over there? Okay, I'll go over there. Ugh, be careful. I knew it. Yeah, this was a short video, maybe. Yeah, it's been a long time since you came back. And this is okay. Bye bye.